everyone.
Hiya.
Hope everyone's safe and well and doing okay. We're all doing okay, aren't we?
Yeah.
Ollie wants to get in.
He's hiding there.
It's that time again. October's
Pop in a box subscription.
that's the one. I can't never say it.
2 pops, $18.99.
So this
I
is,
don't know what they are. Well, I don't.
I do because
Pre-opened.
I think you'll like this one. You can get it out without damaging the box.
Is it a Disney one?
Nope.
No.
Well, I don't know.
No?
Yeah, it is and it isn't.
No,
No,
right.
it is, I think.
Got me intrigued.
Zombie Hulk.
Oh, right.
Is it Disney?
No.
Well, it's Marvel.
Marvel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Um,
I'm thinking Disney. Spider-Man.
yeah, Marvel Zombies. There's quite a few in the series, but I don't know if I thumbs them all up. I don't think so. But definitely thumbs this up. That's Hulk. I like the Hulk.
He does. Favourite ride at Universal.
So the ride. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh,
Oh,
bit of his head's missing.
yeah. It's his skull. He's got a white skull. Did you never knew that? A white skull under his green skin.
Mm.
I like, yeah, I like how his hair comes off there. Shows his head on the side. I like that.
Hmm.
Detail. Hmm.
No. I'm saying no.
Nice. This is the common one again, nothing special. I think we'd use some 10-inch ones in the box if you don't mind. That's good one to go in, that one. Yes, that's alright.
Mm.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Next one.
Next.
You'll be surprised at this one. I don't know if I like it or not. You'll probably like it. I don't know. Just don't look right to me. But it's purple.
Fassa. Special edition.
Mm.
Pop in the box exclusive.
I can't make up my mind up whether I like it or not. The colours don't look right at all.
Yeah, I did thumbs up, I think. Any exclusives, I'll thumbs up. It's worth slightly more. It's like, I don't know,
I like the smell of it.
like a bubble gum.
Yeah, it's like it's got glitter in it as well.
Yeah, glittery. Yeah.
Don't you can see the glitter
Different,
on
innit?
there.
I don't
Yeah.
think we ain't got any Lion King ones, have we?
No, it's Katie's favourite film as well.
Mm.
That and Tangled is Katie's.
It's alright, that.
You happy with them then?
Yeah. Say nothing special again. But worth what we pay. Which is what you want. Oh, maybe slightly more like that. Right, so now it's the ones that we've bought from different places over this month. First one.
I haven't got a clue.
Right. We went to Forbidden Planet in Manchester because I wanted this. It's Silent Bob Reboot. I Am Bob. You can see it's $14.99. You see the movie?
I Am Bob.
Let's get this. It's some 2020 Summer Convention limited edition exclusive. It reminds me of the Iron Man Mark 1. Maybe that's what it's modelled off. When he goes to Chronic Con.
Chronic Con.
Oh, Chronic Con in the film. So, got that one. Kevin Smith.
If you've never heard it like me, let me know in the comments. And tell me I'm not the only one.
It's a daft film, that's, I like all daft stuff though.
It's like you like me.
Mm.
Now this is my
And people go, oh that's stupid that, I probably like it.
This is what I do know.
Yeah, and this is the other one I found. It's for Halloween, it's the Mickey Mouse Halloween pop.
$10.99.
That was $10.99. You can see there's a Mickey one and a mini one.
What you want?
I obviously wanted the mini one. They only had that there, but I need to get it and hope we can get the mini one. It reminds me of Not So Scary.
Oh, I want to go.
Halloween party.
Oh, Mickey, I miss you.
Yeah, so.
Got his cape on at the back. Boo to you.
Because we love Halloween as well. Better than Christmas Halloween.
Yeah, it is. Yes. And if you haven't seen our Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party video, make sure you check it out because
it's not doing it this year because of everything that's happened.
hopefully next year, please, let's all get us back to normal.
Yeah, so them two were from Forbidden Planet in Manchester. Like I say, I was looking for the mini one. Everywhere I was couldn't find it, it was all sold out. But we went to Comic Con, there's a store there called Madhouse. So I always look on there now, and they had it. I think they had one left, so this is what I got. I got it from Madhouse,
Yay!
which is the mini one. So we've got both of them now. I'd been gutted if we'd have got the Mickey.
Not the
I
mini.
couldn't get it. But I think they've restocked it now, so I think you can get it dead easy now.
No.
But I weren't taking that chance.
No.
He's on a broomstick. I think that one's better. That one's better. I think.
This one?
Yeah, I like that more than the Mickey one. They're both good.
It's on a pedestal, let me call it.
Yeah, so I'm glad we got that one.
The cape's coming out the back.
So yeah, so when I got looking at that one, I saw this other one as well.
Yay.
So I thought to get that as well. So it reminded me of Halloween Horror Nights last year.
If you've been to Halloween Horror Nights, you'll know who this is.
It's from the film Zombieland. And it's Bill Murray.
Zombie Murray. Zombie Murray. Zombie Bill Murray.
In the film they go to his house, Bill Murray's house. I don't think he's a zombie at first, is he?
I can't remember it to be fair.
I think he does turn into a zombie.
Is that the one we would have ever seen? Oh.
It looks like a zombie, anyway. Don't say it on the box. I'll say it's Zombie Bill Murray. Doesn't say it on the box. I think it was a chase one.
His little tank top.
Yeah, it reminds me of Halloween Horror Nights.
Yeah.
And the scare zone, the Zombieland scare zone.
Just walking round.
Just see him walking about. So I had to get that one.
And he was on my scooter, he come over and he went, wow, wow.
Yeah, so actually I got them two from Magic Madhouse. I think it was £21.98.
The both?
Yeah, for both. And it was free delivery because it was over £20, so.
That's good.
It was good because, like I say, we got both. And the Mickey mini one, which we wanted.
Oh, this is another one.
And lastly, these are from Very Neko or Very Neko. I don't know what it's called. We got an email from Pop in the Box about this. It is one of their sister group, the Hut Group stores. I don't know. I think it is new because I've never heard of it. And they was giving 20% discount. I had all these in my basket and Pop in the Box for 10% discount. So I got them off that Very Neko for 20%. So I got the exact same pops, but a 20% discount. It's just protection.
I love him.
The first one,
Love Chucky.
10-inch Chucky.
I want a Chucky doll.
So I've got the smaller version. So let's get the bigger version. But it's Halloween and all, so.
Gutted that I'd never seen him when we went the year before that.
Oh, that looks so cool, that.
They've got the blood on
The knife.
the knife. Look at that beauty. I love that.
Like I say, I think I had it in my basket for about 2 weeks.
Got good guys on his
I say I got that deal, so.
dungarees there. Good that. Love it. Love the smell of it.
I think with a 20% off, I think it was about £24. I think.
And the last but not least, oh no.
Two there.
Yeah. Should we do the little one?
You get the 10-inch one. Another 10-inch one. Which we had to get because it's the law.
Yeah.
It's a 10-inch Jack Skeleton.
We've got to get.
We have got. There's another one, is Deluxe Funko Deluxe version, which we've got. So we had to get that one as well.
It's got a zero in it as well.
This is obviously this is more pop looking than the other one. So,
The only trouble is with these, we don't know where to put them because they've got no room.
take a lot of space, these. You can't resist.
You can't resist these.
Can't resist that.
You can't resist.
That's awesome.
Zero and Jack. Have you got a big one of Sally? No.
No.
Won't you get a big one of them?
No, you can't.
He's got a bone in his hand.
Bone in his hand.
His rib bone.
He throws to zero.
Love it.
Yeah.
Have you ever filmed Sanderson Sisters?
Yeah.
Was it the show with Sanderson Sisters?
Finally. I had to get this one because Debbie wanted it. I didn't know who it was at first. But she loves Hocus Pocus.
My favourite.
And it is
Billy
Butch. Is it Billy Butcherson?
Butcherson.
I said I didn't know who it was at first, but
I
it's
know.
like the one who comes out of the ground, isn't it?
Yeah.
In
They,
Hocus Pocus.
they think that he's a bad after him and he's actually helping him.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen Hocus Pocus, go and watch it. It's brilliant.
No, I love it, don't you?
And we was lucky enough to see it on stage last year, weren't we?
Yeah.
For the first
Yeah,
time.
that's the tips. We've never really bothered with it.
No. I don't think we've ever stayed, to be fair, to right to the very, very end.
There's too much to do, isn't there? So there's so much you can do.
His mouth stitched up. He's got his hair in a bun, in a pigtail. It's good, that, all that.
Yeah, so there's another one.
Yeah. I'll show my stuff.
Yeah, I don't realise how much you're buying.
We went to town, Manchester, we call it town, and I got I'm waiting for someone to buy me the Mickey one. Hint, hint.
Ollie?
It's got a Disney store on there. I think this is so cute. I'm going to take this with me next year. And Katie bought, she loves Pluto. So she had to get, she's got every one. She's got the Christmas one. He's got his suit on. And these are from the Disney store, these. There was £21 each. I'll just show you that mug that it's over there. I'll just go. He's got his candy and his bones. Yeah, he's got his bones in his pumpkin at the beginning. And she got this. The three favourites Katie's are Tangled, Lion King and Pluto. And she got this. This is another one she bought from the Disney store. I love the handle. It's got a tower in it.
Nice.
Yeah. And the sun. I think this was £12 or £10. Oh, it's on the bottom. Oh, it was 18. 18. But it's nice, that. Oh, that's on the shelf. Yeah, so I'm sure we'll be buying more before. There's loads of stuff in the Disney store and Primark in a minute.
Yeah, if you can get hold of it.
You can get hold of it, yeah.
It's not sold out in 2 seconds.
That's if you online. I'm sure they have more in store. But we need to go down, don't we?
Yeah.
And then we'll do another haul.
Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Again for this month.
Thanks again for watching. Stay safe. And we'll see you next month.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.